Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Cranberry Christmas cocktail, up today. All right, Thirsty Thursdays, everybody. I'm back with a drink. Y'all tripping. Y'all thought I wasn't coming back with no drink. This is crazy. I'm not gonna come back with no drink. Indoggo. Look at that. Snoop Dogg. Shout out Snoop Dogg, Indoggo. Yes. Okay, all right, now what I have done is a clash of the hip hop legends. How about that? So I got pineapple Cîroc and that Indoggo, which is a strawberry gin. So I got that. I'm gonna mix that with some cranberry juice, and some 7-Up. And baby, let me tell you something. We right around the Christmas season. I promise you, it's something to get excited about. I promise you, it is so good. All right, so I'll be pouring my stuff in decanters, but trust me, this is, you better believe it, one of my favorite Cîroc. I love Cîroc. But anyway, pineapple Cîroc. So I'm gonna put about a half a scoop of that. So put equal amounts of the Cîroc and the Indoggo gin. So that's what you do with that. Put equal amounts. So I'm gonna put like a half cup scoop. So I'm gonna swing you around. I'm gonna swing you around here to me. All right, so I put a half scoop of that. I'm gonna put a half scoop of that Indoggo. All right, Snoop Dogg, that strawberry gin is good. Okay, now what you do want to do right here is you want to put a splash of 7-Up and a splash of cranapple, and you got it. All right. Somebody knocking on my door, but you know what? Splash is gonna be like a half a scoop of each. I'm gonna put a half a scoop of that cranberry juice, and then I'm gonna put about a splash of 7-Up. So you could do this to taste, and trust me on that one. See, put a little bit of that. What you want to do with this is you want to shake that up. I'm gonna pour it in the glass and come back. All right, so I'm gonna get out a little shake, and then what we're gonna do is I already had a cup of something I made earlier, and I had decided I was gonna record it, so we're gonna put it in here, and you can keep your ice if you want to. So your drink kind of warm, or your house warm, or whatever, you can put your ice in there, and you good with that, right? Cool with that? You know what? I may fill this to the top. Put my little ice cubes in there so my drink can stay cold. See, we're good to go. So I got, okay, let me drink some down. I don't want to waste none. So I got a cup. With a lid and a straw. But that's the drink. Isn't it beautiful? See, good color for Christmas, right? So it's like a cranberry. And so that's good. That's good for this season. So check that out. Hey, go make this. Y'all know I always say that, but when something real good, I gotta share it. This one, I had to share this one. This one is really good. I just happened today to splash in that Cîroc and then that Indoggo gin. I'm like, oh, Snoop Dogg was onto something with that. Ooh, 'tis the season. Cheers, y'all. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.